What is greed? Greed is an excess of desires. Disliked greed is a desire to take possession of other people's blessings despite having received your own share. Or it is the state of always remaining unsatisfied while constantly desiring for more. There's different types of greed. There's good greed, there's bad greed, and there's permissible greed. Sometimes greed is rewardable, and other times it is punishable. Sometimes it is permissible. Greed for praying salah, fasting, hajj, charity, Quranic recitation, remembrance of Allah, reciting salawat upon the final messenger sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. So these is examples of good greed.
We love Madani Channel. We love Madani Channel. We love Madani Channel.
Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ala Muhammad. I must strive to reform myself and people of the entire world.